IDEC's new RV8 plug-in relays come in a variety of styles to meet your needs. To install, just snap it into a DIN rail. Release the relay by pulling the clip. Press the clip firmly to reseat the relay. The relays can be supplied with either spring clamp or screw terminal connections. Spring clamp connections resist vibration and maintain tightness. With the spring clamp option, simply push a wire or ferrule into the opening. Electromagnetic versions work well in applications switching high-power loads and requiring electrical isolation. The solid-state version is ideal for applications requiring high-speed switching with high repetition rates. Popular uses include solenoid switching and temperature control. Long life is assured because there are no moving parts. These new relays are much more compact than prior versions with similar functionality. As compared to our RH2 Ice Cube relays, the 14mm versions of the RV8 take up only half as much space, allowing you to install twice as many relays along the length of DIN rail. For both the solid-state and the electromagnetic versions, single pole models are only 6mm wide. Electromagnetic double pole 8 amp and high capacity single pole 16 amp models are just 14mm wide. Class 1 Division 2 ratings allow for installation in classified areas. All of the RV8 relays have green operation indicator lamps, allowing you to see the status of each relay at a glance.